So here we are at the Jungle Farm, and you're looking at my hydroponic lettuce system, but we also have some basil growing. So this is a great opportunity to share with you how to look after basil. So a lot of people find basil really challenging to grow, and it actually has two very simple rules. One is you don't want to overwater basil, and two, you need to keep it nice and warm. So if you're keeping it nice and warm, you're going to water it regularly. If you're a little bit on the cooler side, basil's not going to like that, but you won't have to water it quite as much. So when you start using your basil, so this basil's all got lots of plant that's ready to use. What you want to do is you want to look for down the stem from the top where you see some new little heads starting to grow, and this is where I would prune it, is right here, because all of a sudden now this stem has two tops instead of just one. So it's going to actually double the amount of production I'm going to get from my basil. So that's where you would prune it. All herbs should be picked a third every week, and you want to make sure you're always picking off the tops so that they don't ever go to seed, because that actually influences the flavor and how tender the rest of the plant is. So you always want to be clipping off the top part of the basil so that it will continue to grow and make nice yummy basil for you to use. So be looking down that stem till you start to see those two new leaves starting to grow, the two new heads starting to grow in one of the spots where the leaves from the side grow out, and clip that off. You can use the stem when it's nice and young, but once it's a little bit older, that stem will get woody, so you wouldn't be able to use it. Enjoy your basil.